If Chrome is showing the error code result _code _killed _bad _message, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This issue usually means Chrome has detected something corrupted or incompatible in the data being sent to a website, your browser, or even your user profile. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling everything. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing to try is clearing site-specific cookies and data. This is especially important if the error is happening on only one website. In many cases, a corrupted cookie or an outdated session file is what triggers the bad message error. Start by opening the website that is causing the problem. Then, look to the left of the address bar and click the tune icon or the padlock icon, depending on what appears for that site. From there, go into Site Settings and delete the data. Remove the stored entries for that website, then refresh the page and check whether the error is gone. If that does not solve it, the next step is to disable ad blockers and privacy extensions. Sometimes these extensions are useful, but aggressive filtering tools can interfere with a website's scripts and network requests, which can cause Chrome to reject the data as invalid. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Now turn off your active extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, script blockers, VPN tools, and privacy-focused extensions. After disabling them, go back to the website and reload it. If the page starts working again, you've found the source of the problem. Another fix that often helps is flushing the DNS cache. Your computer stores old network lookups so it can load websites faster. But if that cache becomes outdated, Chrome may be sent to the wrong server and receive broken or unexpected data. To clear it, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Once it completes, restart Chrome and try visiting the website again. If the issue is still there, you should update Google Chrome manually. An outdated browser can struggle to process newer site messages correctly, and updating often fixes compatibility problems instantly. To do this, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, hover over Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and download anything available. When it finishes, click Relaunch to restart the browser with the latest version installed. Now, if none of those fixes work, the problem may be tied to your Chrome user profile. A corrupted profile can cause repeated loading issues and can even scramble browser data in a way that triggers this error. The easiest way to test that is by switching to a clean profile. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of the browser window, then scroll down to the Other Profiles section. Click Add Chrome Profile and create a new one. Once it's set up, open the website again and see if it loads normally in the fresh profile. If it does, then your original profile was likely the cause. At this point, one of these methods should have fixed the result _code _killed _bad message error in Chrome. In most cases, clearing site data, disabling extensions, flushing DNS, or updating Chrome will solve the issue quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.